responsibility. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as mean as you ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look.
So David, at the moment, what percentage of the robot is functional?
100.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah, we did a really good job in repairs our last tournament. For now, it drives. The motors work, the weapon train works, the electronics should work last time I checked.
David, what are you most excited to see blown up tomorrow?
I'm kind of curious what it does to like a chicken and like bones. I make a lot of claims about like this can possibly rip your arm off, but I don't actually know in testing what that looks like.
I think it's great that we haven't found out yet.
Grace almost did. Yeah, no, it was our little incident at Nationals that got us famous.
Wait, what happened? I'm not aware of this.
So don't post that.
Basically how this is going to work is we're going to be splitting up into two teams. One of the teams is going to be setting up the robot and the camera equipment. The other team is going to go to the grocery store. What's good, chat? Welcome to our smashing event. We're smashing each other. Here's the plan. So, you three are going to be sent on a great mission. We need two things. We need a chicken, which is actually a turkey. We need a turkey. And then we need a pumpkin to smash. If you find anything else that you think would be funny to smash, get the other things. That's all. Class dismissed. So what did I miss before getting here?
Oh, we just put the robot together.
Bennett, what are you most excited to see blown up today?
The Buccaneers defense. Go Niners.
Brittany, what are you most excited about?
I'm excited to see the rotisserie chicken.
I'm excited to see the TV, to be entirely honest with you.
TV?
Yeah, the monitor.
Oh, okay.
It's
All
the
right,
TV.
We have another thing to destroy today.
Another?
What? Is that Queen of Hearts 1?
Yep.
Yo. Hello. How is shopping going?
We're trying to find Ralph.
Y'all are at the Ralph's?
Why are they at Ralph's?
Because Smart Final doesn't have cooked chicken.
Why didn't you just go park at Ralph's?
Like
Car?
Wait, did you guys not drive?
We don't have a car.
What's the ETA?
Ralph's is like a minute away.
What's the ETA back here?
A while. Get that out of my face.
Are you meeting us at the parking structure?
Yeah, we'll meet you there.
Okay.
Bye.
There's Ralph's. We're almost there. All right, Ralph's.
Wait, do you want to just pick that out again? Like, just put it back.
I don't think I can do it without laughing.
Yay, Cheetos. Ooh,
That's gonna be so expensive. I hope you know that.
Oh, wait, that's 22.
I told you. Should we get this one? $33.
It's not bad.
Shrimp. Oh, there are pumpkins. W. Let's freaking go, guys. You can't have a fall video without a pumpkin, you know?
Do you think they sell Lunchables here?
I think they sell Lunchly. You want some Lunchly?
No.
Can you get me some?
I do.
You like your cheese drippy? I love my cheese drippy. Extra cheesy pizza? That's kind of nasty, bro. Do you regularly eat Lunchables?
Yes.
That was cool. I got that on camera.
Oh, sick.
Why don't you go ahead and quickly explain for the viewers at home what ARC is and what we do.
We're the Advanced Robotic Combat team at USC. We design, we test, we fight, and we destroy robots and hopefully not get destroyed, although we don't have a very good track record for that. Our ultimate goal is to build a 250-pound robot to compete on BattleBots, so this year we're just setting up all the scientific data that we need to. This year we're building a 30-pound robot called Athon using a lot of experimental technologies.
What the f is that? I want to let you know this has been here for like 2 or 3 days.
Oh!
This is gross. Anyways, join ARC. Walk down the middle.
Welcome to Onene. This is my favorite elevator on all of Tennessee. Welcome to the Onene elevator. You're gonna have the roughest night of your life.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's the Hollywood sign over there. This is Queen of Hearts before we absolutely destroy it. Yeah, that one's going on the Tinder profile.
Oh, you're making your Lunchables right now?
Get to like close up like a
Ooh, look at that Lunchable.
This looks disgusting.
Welcome to USC. We made it. We did it. Hi, David. Do you want to say hi to the camera? You excited for the big day?
She goes.
Matic.
These idiots got a turkey.
It was only 26 bucks?
Really?
Do you want to do a drop test for the camera? Do it from high though. Do it from high. Holy safety precaution. This is crazy. What in the f is that? What are you holding? No way we're destroying that.
Yeah.
So this is the aftermath of the shoot. Our battery died as we tried to hit the watermelon. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty fun. Good day for ARC. All right, close up of the damage.
This is the pumpkin,
Ooh, look at that.
and then the watermelon is in the
It's not really touched.
at all actually.
Oh, sh!
Wow.
Oh, that's awesome.
This is crazy. The production value on this set is so much compared to our normal production value, which is $0 because we have no money.
No money. We need money. Viterbi, give us money. Give us money now. We need it. We want to build a robot. We want to build a bigger robot with it.
Imagine how cool this video would be with a new robot.
Imagine how cool this video would be if the robot had a.
That's true.
So.
How's your days going?
What the hell are you doing?
That angle.
3, 2, 1. Let's go! W. Holy.